My 4-year-old son wanted to sound like a dinosaur, because of course he did. So here's the before. Pretty good. And after some processing and reversing audio and using some fun plugins, here's the final product. Cool.